Subscribe to AAN Creation and press the bell icon for latest videos.
Welcome again, friends. Although Zoom is a video conferencing service primarily for businesses and schools, it's also a popular solution among home users for one-on-one and group video chat, as it's a cross-platform service available on Windows 10, macOS, iOS, Android, and on the web. The service uses a subscription plan model that starts at $14.99, but there's a free tier that includes unlimited minutes for one-to-one video calls, but group calls on Zoom are limited to 40 minutes. If you're planning to get started with Zoom, you first need to create a free account, which doesn't require to add any payment information. In this video, you'll learn the steps to create a free Zoom account. To create Zoom account, use these steps. First, open Zoom website and complete the age verification process. Next, click the continue button and confirm the email that you want to use to create an account. Or you can also create an account clicking the sign in with Google or sign in with Facebook buttons. Next, click the sign up button and check your email confirmation. Next, click the activate account button and select the no answer for are you signing up on behalf of a school question if applicable. Next, click the continue button and complete your information to create a Zoom account. Next, click the continue button and click the skip this step button. You can always invite people later. Once you complete the steps, your Zoom account will be created, and you can start using the service for video calls. If you don't have the app on your device, you can use these steps to install it on Windows 10. At any time, you can always access your Zoom account to update your profile, change settings, and schedule meetings.